up, guys? It's Todd here with you. We about to go to Tractor Supply, get some rat supplies for cleaning, repairs, little treats, you know. So what we'll do is we'll show you what we'll get, about what it costs, and I'll go into detail about how long it will last us, guys.
We're at Tractor Supply Company.
Alright guys, I used to get my rat food from a friend of mine, and I got to drive like an hour and a half to get rat food. So I've been using doggy bag, and I've been getting sunflower seeds, the black oil sunflower seeds, and doing vegetable treats. Alright babe, I gotta go down to the dog food aisle here. Oh, crashed and burned her.
Yep, babe don't know how to drive. Ooh, look at these biscuits, guys. That is a huge box of biscuits, dog biscuits. 2 for $20. Wow. Sorry, guys, got off track. This is what we get, guys. Doggy bag.
Usually, guys, where I live so close, I just take what they got on the shelves and I roll with that.
Yep.
Got 18%. Well, here's what I like to look at, guys. We got 18% crude protein, 6% crude fat, 6% crude fiber, 12% nutrients.
This is some of the other stuff they sell, guys. Look, $12.99 for 15 pounds. Extra large and large dog biscuits. I like getting my dogs these. They love to chew on them. Big pits. Here is what we feed our rats, guys. We give them this as a treat. Royal wing, but it's just black oil sunflower seeds, guys. They love these things. And here's the mealworms. 6 pound.
They got them in smaller bags. They got a mix of sunflower seeds, black oil sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds and the mealworms?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Find it now.
Here's a smaller bag, guys, for 10 bucks.
Yeah, you get, and trust me, guys, a handful at a time, it will go a long way. I give mine like 2 times a week. Matter of fact, here we go. Let's black oil sunflower. All right, so you can go with the big bags. This all depends on what size of a rodent breeding operation you got, guys. Like, I'm only using, anybody that watches my channel knows that my rodent breeding operation is not very big. So I got the black oil sunflower seeds, right? I only grabbed a 6 pound bag. All right, guys, right here. That's why I say just look around, see what you can find. For $12.99, you get 12 pounds, guys. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, guys. This is $11.99 for 10 ounces of dehydrated mealworms. Now what I'll do is I'll mix this all together and make my own bag for, like, basically, I'll give this twice a week with this, and it'll last me a minute, guys. This combo here will. It's a good protein snack for them. We got our stuff. Now, only thing we gotta go do is get some night crawlers, some paper towels. We good to go. Oh yeah, we gotta get food for ourselves. Besides that, we good. If you are not a subscriber, guys, please subscribe. Remember that every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 12 p.m. we do upload a video. Until then, we love you. We'll see you later. Peace.
Don't forget to share the love.